Hello Tech. Today I'm going to share with you how to download the latest version of Windows directly from the official Microsoft site. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to search for the ISO from Google, and before we do that we shall need to do this. So I'm using Firefox as my browser. We shall go to the menu and then we look for web developer. From here we shall choose inspector and let's switch to the mobile view or the responsive mode. So from here we shall use iPad because of the bigger size, and then we can actually close this for a meantime. Then from Google we shall search for the image. So we shall type Windows 10 ISO download. Then from here we shall hit enter. Under the results we shall choose one from the Microsoft official site. Then here we shall choose the version of Windows 10 we would like. In this case it is the November update. Then we click confirm. From here we shall choose the product language. In this case I will choose English International. So I'll just scroll down, choose English International and then confirm. Then from here we shall choose which architecture we would like to download, either 64 or 32 or actually both. But this link will only last for 24 hours. So in this case I will use the 64-bit. Then from here you see that my download manager has captured the link, so I can click start download and it will begin downloading the ISO. Thank you so much.